Oh gosh, this bike is so dusty. I guess we'll let you in. Oh, okay, maybe not. There you go. Hey, nice. We got a wave. What's going on, YouTube? Dapper Dan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Currently probably like 50 degrees maybe, but it is nice and sunny, so that definitely helps a lot. Yesterday it was similar weather, but it was all windy, so that would have been no fun to ride in. And it's been so today is actually the last weekend in January, and it has been very cold. This is actually my first time riding in 2021. Everything you've seen up until this point has been pre-recorded. But it's fairly nice out today. As you can see, everybody's riding. So I figured it's nice, pretty nice out today, so we may as well take the bike out. So we've had a few nice days. Here and there, but they're always on days that I have to go to work. So in the morning it'll be like 20 degrees and but in the afternoon it'll be like mid-50s, maybe 60, and that's perfect riding weather, but that's a little too cold to do in the mornings. And I live like 40 minutes from where I work, so doesn't quite work out yet, but it will work out pretty soon. So actually today is Sunday, and a week from today is the next Super Bowl, and the Buccaneers and the Kansas City Chiefs, but those are who's playing. And who do I predict will win? I have no idea. But who do I want to win? I definitely want... Oh hey, didn't see you there. I definitely think Patrick Mahomes deserves to win more than Tom Brady. Tom Brady has enough Super Bowl wins. He doesn't need any more rings or anything like that. I definitely think Patrick Mahomes deserves to win more than Tom Brady, so that's who I will be rooting for. Hopefully they win. They won last year, so hopefully they win again this year. Make it twice in a row for them. But my team did not make it to the Super Bowl. My team is the Broncos, so it's not really a big deal on who wins, on who's left, but I definitely think Tom Brady does not deserve to win. You guys already, I'm sure everybody knows the meme of how Tom Brady eats corn. So he doesn't, I don't think he needs to win. Anyway guys, it's super nice out today, especially not doing like highway speeds, just chilling here doing 35. Very nice. Things are starting to open up a little bit here in Colorado. They're slowly open things up. Like even a couple months ago you couldn't even sit down at a restaurant. You had to take everything to go, and they wouldn't let you sit down at all. But I think they're finally starting to let dine-in eating happen again, which is very nice. Definitely I got nothing wrong with to go, but it's kind of nice to sit down at somewhere that's not at your house or not in your vehicle. Stuff's finally opening up, and hopefully there will be stuff to do now on the weekends. It's starting to get a little warmer now, so we do got some hopefully we can do some more outdoor activities. But it's starting to get to that time of year where I can ride to work every day. That would be super nice. I can't wait for that. Because motorcycles definitely get way better gas mileage than my truck does. And if I ride this, I'll probably have to fill it up every day, but I won't even mind. I live like a couple blocks from a gas station, so that's not even bad. I do have to put premium in here, so it'll probably be a little over $4 to fill it up. I still haven't filled it up yet since I've owned it, and we've put 60 miles on it, pretty much, I think, almost. So maybe we'll fill it up today. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you. Let me know down in the comments who you think is going to win the Super Bowl. Oh gosh, the Canes line again. You guys and your Canes. And it is Sunday, so Chick-fil-A is closed. That's why. That's why Canes is got a long line, I guess. And this long line for Starbucks. It's the middle of the day. You guys are drinking coffee in the middle of the day? Alright, whatever. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Leave me a comment, let me know what you think. Let me know who you think is going to win the Super Bowl. If you really liked the video, go ahead and share it with a friend. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day.